Another totally unnecessary task. Is painting a radiator hard? Yes and no. Modern radiators come with this fancy shiny coating that paints just love to ignore. Plus, they get hot in winter, which of course affects the paint. But there is tons of solutions to this problem. So, naturally, I went for special radiator spray paint. Now, let me tell you, finding anything not white in radiator paint, a needle in a haystack, but finally found an option. For anyone brave enough to follow my lead, there is the official guide. First, tape and cover everything you don't want painted. Second, lightly sand the surface with sandpaper, or better yet, use abrasive sponge. The goal is to make sure the paint actually sticks. Third, wipe off dust and grease. Imagine to paint a buttery surface. Exactly. Fourth, then just spray on several thin coats. Don't hover over one spot too long, unless you want a dripping. Oh, and I've heard of some people warming up the cans in warm water to get the better pressure. But, unless you want to create a paint explosion in your face, let's not get carried away here. And if you don't want to end up with colorful lungs, wear a respirator. Because you know, breathing in paint fumes is totally not fun part of DIY.